In this video, we are going to talk about Unit 7 of MSO 002, and after analyzing all the question paper, I have came across following questions, that is Comte contribution to positivism, positivism and its feature, positivism in social science, critically analyze positivist method in social science research. We have already discussed about concept positivism in MSO 001 chapter 6 and in chapter 1 of MSO 002. I will not repeat all the points that I have discussed previously. According to Unit 7, positivism is a method of inquiry that sought to give immense cognitive prestige to the discipline and wanted to conceive its adherent that sociology too could be a science and follow the scientific methodological principles of empirical observation, deductive reasoning, and formulation of laws or universal generalization. Positivism is both an assertion of science as well as a quest for order and stability. Features of positivism: it believes in unity of method. It celebrates objectivity and value neutrality. It separates the knower from known, subjective from objectivity, and fact from value. Sociology is not common sense. It rests on explanatory principles which give a universal character to the discipline. Sociology is a formal and organized body of knowledge characterized by specialized skills and techno-scientific vocabulary. Sociology can strive for abstraction and generalization. Scientific knowledge of society can be used for social engineering. Positivism is thus based on observable knowledge. It develops line of natural science, the subject matter and method influenced by perspective of natural science. Now let's see how positivism originated. Origin of positivism. Science was evolving, arousing immense optimism and becoming homogeneous. There were some assumptions such as identity of sociology as true knowledge could not be established without adopting method of science. And second, new age characterized by industrial revolution, trade, etc. emerged new elite that was technologists, scientists and capitalists. They saw immense possibilities in science and was strong adherent of positivistic or scientific culture and mode of inquiry. With the stay of science, positivism was inevitable consequence. Merton, four institutional imperatives of science, give a positive affirmation of the virtues of science, its ability to construct objective, empirical, critical and universal knowledge. It is free from personal or political bias and prejudice. Positivism is a heroic science. The root of early positivism could be seen in first half of 19th century in France. There was a single scientific method applicable to all the fields of study. Saint-Simon pleaded for scientific outlook from the physical sciences to study human being. Close affinity with science gave birth to positivism. Auguste Comte, the father of sociology, saw contradiction between the two social forces, that is theological or the military and scientific or the industrial. The scientific replaced theologians as moral guardians and the industries replaced warriors or the military as a moral guardians. Contradiction could be resolved by scientific or industrial society. He believed that positivist or scientific knowledge was the inevitable outcome of the progressive growth of the individual mind as well as historical development of human knowledge. Positivism is the name of scientific study of the world. From 1871 to 1823, Simon and Comte collaborated their work in indistinguishable form. Their works cannot be distinguished that which work is of Simon and which work is of Comte. But Comte emerged as independent scholar after they separated. Comte law of three stages, that is theological, metaphysical and positivist stage. We have already discussed about these three stages in our previous videos. Let's have a brief discussion about it. Theological state, it came across 1300. Mind explained phenomena or mundane occurrence by ascribing them to the unfathomable God. Essence of phenomena and ultimate origin lie in theological. Supernatural power, religious icons are important factor impacting society. World is believed to be a product of God. All the events happening in nature were attributed to God. In metaphysical stage, that is from 300 to 1800, abstract force powers and essence are held responsible for worldly affairs. Nature was held to explain everything about man and society. Transition stage existed around 14th century. Now the third stage is positive or scientific stage. It was around 1800, fundamentally influenced by science laws. It dominates when theological and metaphysical stage have been reduced or completely eliminated. No explanation is considered as final one. Aim of positive philosophy is to consider all the phenomena as subject to invariable nature law. Positive knowledge is empirical and universal, something that is concrete and demonstrable. For example, rain. In theological state, it was considered to be Indra's blessing, means based on God. Whereas in metaphysical stage, it can be seen in man's poetry. It was being described by the nature. Whereas in positivist stage or the scientific stage, it is considered to be heat, cloud, water and cycle that repeats after evaporation, condensation. According to Comte, lower science like astronomy, mechanics, chemistry, biology develops fast because these are less complex, less dependent on other science, and their distance from human affair is far greater. Whereas sociology is more complex, more near to everyday life, reaches positive stage late. Now, sociology projects itself as a positive science, analyze social phenomena and discover the laws governing relation among them. Sociology for him is the queen of sciences, because without the guidance of its law, the discoveries of lower science could not be utilized to the maximum advantage of humanity. Comte used observation, experiment and classification method in sociology. He called sociology as the study of social statistics and dynamics. He saw science as analytic and synthetic. In analytic physics, chemistry, they established laws among isolated phenomena, whereas in synthetic such as biology and sociology has to be studied in the context of entire society creature. Comte was also a great moralist. Revolution weakened the community, caused moral crisis or crisis of order and new positivists. Sociological knowledge could fulfill the void and serve the therapeutical function of religion. But after many advantages of positivism or scientific stage seen, there were some critics of positivism. First, interpretative sociology. Positivism undermines the creativity, reflexivity and agency of social actors. The interpretative sociology was a refreshing departure from positive tradition. Domain of nature may not be applicable in human society. Second is instrumental rationality. The ethical neutrality of positivism reduces it to a mere technique, separated from moral or political issues. Positivist science was nothing but a form of instrumental rationality leading to domination and manipulation of human and natural resources. In 20th century, hazards. Sociology should be concerned with the subjective understanding of objective reality. Third is postmodernist. Positivism loses its cognitive power and legitimacy. Sociology becomes another narrative field with biographies and life histories. Fourth is neutrality of science. Positivism emerged at a time of when sociology was trying to establish itself as a science. With passage of time, new experiences leading to disillusionment with neutrality of science, with new sensitivity to reflexivity and creativity, critique rose. And the two specific critique of positivism is reflexive sociology resisting methodological dualism, and second is agency and structure, process of structuralization. Alvin W. Goldner was a sociologist. He said reflexive sociology is a meaningful alternative to positivism. Methodological dualism in positivism separates the knower from the known, subject from the object, and fact from the value. Objectivity is essential, an expression of alienation. He pleaded for methodological monism, that is, self-reflexivity is important. Reflexive sociology invites methodological monism, and alter meaning of knowledge. It generates self-awareness and new sensitivity. Reflexive sociology demands moral commitment and ethical engagement. Feminist, Dalit movement research do not see technical objectivity with empathy, suffering, and striving for alternate is also considered. Positivism is not applicable in a sphere of human society. Human think and react. Positives deconstruct the foundation of science. Sociological concepts are based on double humanitic, ordinary, and technical language. Sociologists can't alter language of lay actor, and meaningful sociological research require immersion in the form of life which the sociologists seek to study. Society is a skilled performance. There are limit, constraints provided by the social structure, hidden duality of structure. For example, language follow the grammar set of rules and statistic change are made. The structuration enable him to overcome the duality of structure and agency. For example, rules are structure provided, but we are not puppet. We innovate, experiment, and alter the structures. As for example, you can see in today's era, there are many new words coming that we learn and adapt according to our innovation, experiment, and our environment. In next video, we will discuss Unit 8. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any query, you can contact us on Telegram or Instagram. If you want any type of changes in our content or video or the mode that we use to provide your videos, you can comment down below. All the queries and suggestions are welcome. Thank you.